Hello guys, today I will tell you how to create three files for an U project. So first we will click there. So I will make a Win32 console file over there. So I named it as SES. Any name you can give it to this. Then I will click there on next, and then I will click on the empty project. So there will be no file in this. After it, I will click over their source files, and then I will add a CPP file. So I will name it as a source file, so that I will make it. So this is my main file in which I will write my main. In this file I will make my int main. So now I will I will create a class, any class you want to create. So I will make a class here. I will add it, and I want to make a class of date of birth. So I will click as date. So my class will become. So now I will tell you that this is the header file in which I will only describe or write my prototypes of the function there. So this is called the default constructor, as I will write there default constructor. So that's your default constructor. And now I will tell you how to overload your constructor. There are two types of constructor: default constructor and a private constructor. Default constructor and a parameterized constructor. So here now I will make some private attributes of my class. So here is day, comma, month, comma, year. So as there are three data types there, so definitely I will use these data types in my parameterized constructor. So that is your parameterized constructor. So now you want to display their attributes. So now I will need a display functions. As display function is needed, so its return type will be void because it is not returning anything to me. So I will make a display function void display. So now there are two types to set any of the integer values, day and month and year. One is through parameterized constructor and other is through get and set method. So for example, I am going to set day. I will put there, obviously I will pass a parameter in it which will set the day. So now I will definitely make the 3 for month and year also. Here I will click on month, so set year. So this will int over here. So now I will tell you how to create it. Obviously I will include some header file iostream, which is very necessary for it, and then I will include kanya.h hash include. Here I go. Now I will use it using namespace std, so that I will not let it go. So obviously I have created these three set methods. So obviously I will have to make now get method, as I want to return an integer values. So I will create a function or method of get day, so as it will return me an int. So I will not pass any integer value to it. Definitely int get year. So now I will come on to this. This is called your parameterized. This is your default constructor. In this you will initialize the values so that your compiler don't give you garbage value. Here I go. So first of all, there are two things, that there is no return type of constructor. Remember it, no return type of constructor. So I will use three ints as I use it there int d m and then int y. So now there are two types of initializing, as what value I will pass to d will get into the day, which value I will pass into month or m it will store into month, which value I will pass to y it will store into year. That was the parameterized constructor. So now I will make display function. So first of all, return type, then the name of the class, then use scope resolution, then this display function, then here we go. So cout the date of birth is, here I go, I will cout day, then I will put a space bracket in, then I will cout month, definitely after month I will again comma, and then I will cout here. So that's the main things that I have to create in the display function. Now I will create the get and set method. So now I am going to return type, now name of the class, which is date, scope resolution, so set day. I will pass an integer d, which will day equals to d. Now which value is assigned to d will definitely set the attribute day of the private member of the class. So here I go, set month, integer m, so in it which value I will pass to m will definitely store into the month. So now y date, scope resolution, set year, now int y year equals to y. So these all are the set methods. Now as I want to use my get method also, so as it will return me some integer value, so I will get set day, it will sorry here I will use get day, so it will return me a day integer. So I again use int date get month, so it will return me the value of the month, which is set in the private attribute return month. So now next I will use definitely return year, so get year will give me year, return year. Okay, this was the main thing that I have made over there. So as I have included all these IOStream and Conio using namespace std, so I will now create hash include that date file in it. So all my header files are also included in it, as I include the header file previous. So now I will take three integers a, b and c. So now I will definitely write cout, enter the date of birth, now cnd my. This will cnd all the values I want to user will input. Now I will create an object of class date, which is obj. So here I will use, it will be a, b and c. Now I will pass a, b, c to it for the setting of value store. This is the method parameterized constructor for value assigning. So now I want to display these all the things. I will definitely call my object display functions. So I make another date object, object 2. So now this is paranoid, this is our default constructor, and through it now I will use my dot operator, dot, so it will all show me all the things. So I want to set my date, so I will set here, I will pass a, which I used there. You want to initialize again, so we can also use this as like this. So this day 2 object was also clear. Here I will make it. So now you only set your day. Just set your day. Now obj dot 2 dot. So I want to set my month, I will pass b. Then similarly I want to set my year, I will pass c, and then I will use obj 2 dot display for it. But there are two types to display. One was display function, this is the one thing, and you also display these things using your get day, as it will pass you some integer value. You have to see out them, see out day, see out month, and then see out get here. So now you have to use some of the things, like here I will put this, after this I will put this, and before it I will definitely put this, the date of birth, through set methods, obviously. So this will give you the things, and after all it will give you the value of it. And then I will use get ch over there. So before this I will also write there cout, no cout. So now you can use your program. This is a program in which you can set the date of birth of a person. So this is the way how you set the values using parameterized constructor. And for parameterized constructor you have to pass all the values into the object directly, and for by the use of set and get methods we use first of all default constructor. I declare that object, then I will pass a, b, c, and then I will display this. So from this and this and this, these all are the displays through get methods. So this was my program. So now I will tell you how to do it. Here we go. I will debug it. So I will press 15. So remember one thing, when I will press the space it will move on to the another integer value. So 07 is the month and 999 is the, so I will enter another birthday, so 20 of April 2005. So there is the object 1, object 2, and object 2, as I call their object dot display for first object, so it will only show me this. So as I will call object 2 display second object, it will show me the second 24 2005, and then I use these all the displays through get methods, so this will show me this. So this was the short video for you in which you learn how to create pre-files and a concept you will get through how to take inputs from the user in these files. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, and share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So here we go.